Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question in today's video when we have the x root of 4 times square root of 2 times square root of 2 is equal to 32, and we have to figure out the value of the x. So first of all, we know when we have the x root of a to the power of b, this will be equal to a to the power of b over x. So basically this one over this one, and what we have in here is that if we call this one our a and we know b is equal to 1, what we're going to end up is basically 4 times the square root of 2 times square root of 2 to the power of 1 over x is equal to 32. And in order to get rid of the x in the denominator, we're going to do x on each side of this equation in order to get rid of the x. And from the laws of exponent, we know when we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this will be equal to a to the power of m times n. So basically this is our m and this is our n. So we'll get 4 times the square root of 2 square root of 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 32 to the power of x. So in order to get rid of the square root on this side, we can do the power of 2 on each side. And if we do that, we know when we have a times b to the power of 2, this will be equal to a squared times b squared. And here this is our a and this is our b. So basically we have 4 squared times square root of 2 square root of 2 to the power of 2 is equal to, again we're going to use the previous law that we covered, 32 to the power of 2x. So on the left side, what we get is 4 squared times 2 times square root of 2 is equal to 32 to the power of 2x, and we have one more square root. If we do the power of 2 on each side one more time, we can get rid of the square root, and we're good to go to find the x. So we'll have the same thing. We can call this one a, this one b, which means 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 times 2 square root of 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 32. And we can again multiply these two to the power of 4x. So from the first one, we have 4 to the power of 2 times 2. So 4 times, this time, this is our a, this is our b. And if we use what we did in here, we'll have 2 to the 2 times basically square root of 2 to the power of 2, which is 2, is equal to 32 to the power of 4x. So here looking at this, we'll see that 32 can be written as 2 to the 5. Same for the 4, we can do 2 to the power of 2. And if we do that, we'll get 2 to the power of 2 to the 4 times 2 to the, here we can add the exponents. So when we have a to the power of m times a to the n, this will be equal to a to the power of m plus n. And here this is our m and this is our n. So basically 2 plus 1 is 3. And on the right side we have 2 to the 5 to the 4x. And here we have 2 to the 8 times 2 to the 3 is equal to 2 to the power of, we can multiply this to 5 times 4x, which is 20x. And basically by looking at the exponent, we'll see that 2 to the power of 8 plus 3, which is 11, is equal to 2 to the power of 20x. Looking at the exponents, we'll see that 2x has to be 11, meaning our x is 11 over 20. So yeah, that would be the final answer for this question. The whole point of this was to simplify the exponents of these kind of questions when we have multiple square roots in the question, and how to simplify this. Let me know if you have any better solution to solve this, and feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer those. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.